name and phone number after the beep. We will return your call.
Hey babe, it's me Ace. It's been a while babe. I'm still using the same number 0681. Please get to me babe, I miss you. I just can't be without you, oh girl. I miss your voice so much baby. I just can't be without you, oh girl. Stormy days, can you wait until December? Listen, I'm gonna have someone to talk today. Without you, I find myself talking to myself, baby. Without you, I'm not myself. What have I done to deserve this? All these pains and their misery, baby, you know I'm not strong. Baby, you know I love you right. I wish I can hold your hand tight. Baby, I love you more than anything. I'm not just saying. All the moments that we shared, you can tell me you see nothing. And I promised you, but now I don't see you on the stormy days. Without being with you, my girl, my heart is in hell. What did I do to deserve all of this pain, girl? I did you wrong, I don't deserve a second chance. But I love you, I need you, you know what you mean to me, girl. Cause I gave you everything, my heart is still by you, baby. Now I'm calling you, but I go straight to the voicemail. I wish you knew how I felt now, girlie. Yes, I admit when you were here, I took you for granted, I confess. Baby, please, you can't even send a call back. I won't really appreciate now, I just need anything from you. Like you used to do, especially when we're meeting up. Baby, I miss you, actually, I'm missing us when we're together. I don't know, cause now is the stormy days. Without being with you, my girl, my heart is in hell. What did I do to deserve all of this pain, girl? I did you wrong, I don't deserve a second chance. But I love you, I need you, you know what you mean to me, girl. When it's stormy days, without you on my side, I just can't be without you, oh girl. When it's stormy days, without you on my side, I just can't be without you.